Sure. Here's a script for your YouTube video about the 2025 iPhone 8 -- Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the brand new 2025 iPhone 8, a phone that brings some surprising upgrades while keeping things familiar for Apple fans. Starting with the features, the 2025 iPhone 8 comes with a brand new A17 Fusion chip. It is not just faster but smarter, handling tasks like gaming, multitasking and AI-powered features more smoothly than ever. The battery has also seen a boost, giving users up to 20% more life on a single charge. You also get an upgraded camera system featuring a dual lens setup. This delivers sharper images, better low-light performance, and smoother video recording. Apple has finally introduced 8K video recording, which will excite content creators and casual users alike. Face ID is now faster and works from more angles, making unlocking the phone effortless. Plus, the phone now supports Wi-Fi 7, making downloads and streaming even quicker. On the exterior, the 2025 iPhone 8 keeps the classic iPhone look but with a few modern tweaks. The body is slimmer and slightly lighter, but it still feels solid and premium in the hand. The front is all about that edge-to-edge OLED display, which now offers a brighter, more color-accurate experience. The bezels have been shaved down even more and the notch is much smaller, almost disappearing into the screen. On the back you will notice a matte glass finish that resists fingerprints better than before and feels really smooth. The camera module is flatter, which means less wobbling when you place the phone on a table. New colors have also arrived, including a deep emerald green and a sleek matte black, which look absolutely stunning in person. Another thing to note is durability. The new ceramic shield is tougher and can handle drops and scratches much better than the previous models. It is also more water resistant, now able to survive even longer underwater without any issues. In conclusion, the 2025 iPhone may 8 not reinvent the wheel, but it perfects many things that users love. It is faster, more durable, better looking and packed with small improvements that make a big difference in everyday use. If you are an iPhone fan or someone looking to upgrade without going into the Pro lineup, this phone is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and let us know in the comments what you think about the new iPhone 8. See you in the next one. Would you also like a slightly more energetic or dramatic version, depending on your channel style?